Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rayo. In today's video, I'm going to be filming how to prepare Gbegiri using lentils. This particular recipe was originated from the southwestern part of Nigerian, and this particular method I'm going to show you will save you from a whole lot of stress, from the stress of peeling beans and mashing it and all that. So if this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get into the video, shall we? So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 cup of yellow lentils, 2 cups of chicken broth or water, some palm oil, locust beans, seasoning cubes, and some salt to taste. And that is what you are going to be needing for this particular recipe. And make sure you are using yellow lentils. So first of all, I'm going to start by washing my lentils. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. Then I'm going to transfer it into a clean pot. Then set your fire on low, medium heat. Add your chicken broth or water, whatever it is you're using. Then cover and leave to cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes of cooking, I'm going to just give it some stirs. Then turn off the fire and transfer into blender and blend till completely smooth. So guys, let's quickly move to the stage of being waiting for. In a clean pot, throw in your palm oil, let it heat up a bit, then transfer in the locust beans, stir it well, leave it to fry for a few seconds. Make sure you are not frying it for more than 1 minute, and also make sure you wash your locust beans before adding it to the oil. So next thing is to pour in the porridge that we blended, and then give it a thorough mix. Mix it and mix and mix and mix till it's completely mixed well together. So after giving it some mix and it is too thick for your liking, feel free to add more water to loosen it to your desire. So next thing is to add your seasoning cube and salt, then give it some final mix. Then after that, just leave it to boil for about 5 minutes and make sure you are stirring it consistently. So guys, can you see how gorgeous it looks already? Our Gbegiri is ready to serve, just as easy as that. So just like so, our Gbegiri is ready to serve. If you like what you see, why not consider subscribing, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also give me a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and don't forget to leave your comments, question and contribution in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not consider subscribing, and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you guys in another video. I love you. Bye.